Hello friends, welcome to my channel Saira's Creations, and I believe you all are enjoying a beautiful summer. Today I'm here with another sewing project which is very interesting. I wanted to do this project from long time, but now I get the time and chance. Especially one of my clients bring me this beautiful jeans denim dress, and she want to convert this dress into a skirt. So I'm pretty excited for this project, and I know you guys gonna love this too. I especially gonna teach you how we're gonna cut it and also how we're gonna attach elastic inside on a waistline area. So let's go ahead and we're gonna finish this project together. Alright, so for this project you need scissor, or if you have a rotary cutter, there will be more better work. Then we need a matching thread, with your matching fabric, and then we need elastic. So it's depending how much wide you want elastic on your waistline. I had a special ask to my client, and she picked this size, which is 1 full inch, and I guess that's it. And you can use a tailor chalk for mark your area. And the one more thing, if your client bring like that kind of stuff, you especially ask them, like I had suggest to my client, I can cut from here and I can even cut from top, whatever she prefer. Some people like a long length, some people like a short length, some people don't like to have so many plates on elastic area. So my client prefer I should start cutting from here, so in that way we can just fold this stuff and this will be just already plated. So let's go ahead and start it. So I'm taking 2.5 for my elastic fold. And all we just have to know, attach elastic. Okay, so next thing we are cutting elastic. Check your waistline and just mark and cut. My client waistline is 32, so I'm gonna cut 32. That's it. And the next thing, we're gonna take both corners and we're gonna stitch on top of these both ends. Zigzag stitching, back forth until you feel like your elastic is steady. We are using a zigzag stitch, so our elastic should be flexible in the stitching. So before lining up our elastic, if you have a serger, or you can just serge from all the sides of your fabric. If you don't have, you can do zigzag. And if you don't want to do zigzag, just simply fold it, and have like a single stitch on all the circle of your elastic waistline. So in that way we are protecting our fabric inside. Alright, so next thing I have did, I marked my elastic on the four corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4 on an equal distance. So in that way we can adjust our elastic on equal distance from each other. So I also mark my fabric like a center part from back and front, and the mark I'm taking these stitches as a mark on both sides. So the four marks we need with the elastic and also with our fabric. And simply just open your fabric just attaching at the fold. This one is the easiest way to do. Don't worry about how much fabric you have inside because it's gonna stretch and then you're gonna have a perfect elastic. Alright, here you go. And simply, as you can see, if we stretch it, this all the extra fabric gonna be stretched inside. Alright, so that will be perfect look. Alright, so first thing we are doing, I'm attaching this elastic to all nearby all my plates, and I gonna start sew in a center with a zigzag. Once I have a zigzag, my elastic is lining up, then I will fold this fabric and make one stitch on top and one stitch on the bottom. So total will be 3 zigzag stitches. So let's go ahead and start it. Make sure we are doing from center. Now we are folding this top layer of fabric like this. See that? And we're gonna make a top stitch, zigzag stitch on the top, and one I will make on the bottom area. Alright, and all we just gonna have one more zigzag stitch on the bottom area and our skirt will be ready. I'm sure you really enjoyed watching our two-day project. As you can see, we have made a beautiful skirt from our old dress and it's turned out to very pretty. If you really enjoyed watching this project, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Saira's Creations. Have a blessed summer. God bless you all. Bye bye.